Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Div Tech 101, aka Black Mantle, as we discuss information technology, also known as IT. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about ChatGPT, but before I get into ChatGPT, I do want to go over with you just two products here, which is the Death Wish coffee and the Bodum pour over coffee maker with a permanent filter. And this is glass and it has about 34 ounces of coffee in it. Now, as an Amazon affiliate, I do want to let you know firsthand that if you do decide to purchase these two items or want them to try them out, go in the description and hit my Amazon link there, and it's going to take you to the Amazon site. As an Amazon associate, I do earn from qualifying purchases, as those help out the channel and help me to continue to create awesome content for you. So before I get started, first and foremost, I always like to have something that I'm either drinking or snacking on, and I'm going to have a little bit of coffee here. And I want you to think about what we're going to go over today. It's going to be ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is an AI tool, basically optimizing language models for dialogue. So basically, you type in the question that you want to ask or the statement, and then ChatGPT responds back with an answer. And if it does not, it will let you know that it needs more information. Now, keep in mind, this is for education and entertainment purposes. DaVinci Technologies at Black Mantle to assume no responsibility in how you use this information. So make sure you're safe and not plagiarizing information and taking this and using it for ill intent. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it here. So what you do is you go to chatgpt.com. You're going to see some information that's going to basically populate from the site there. And you're going to actually just click on Try ChatGPT. And then you're going to click on New Chat. Keep in mind, there is a checkbox at the bottom of the screen. There are actually a text box, and if you do not see it there, just look very closely. You're going to see it down at the bottom of the screen there. So once you see that, you're going to go ahead and type in your question. So I'm going to keep mine centered around IT and everything like that. So I'm just going to ask it, what is IoT? And then ChatGPT is going to go out and look in this database of information, and it's going to start to type the information out in text format for you, kind of like you're chatting with a artificial intelligence robot right there. What you do with this information is your responsibility, but I'm just showing you for a tutorial on the video of what it looks like when you're using ChatGPT here. So basically, I asked it a question about Internet of Things, and then it talked about a little bit about what it is. So I'm going to ask it a more in-detail question of list the top 5 IoT things that it can name, and just see what it shows up here. What are the top 5 IoT devices consumers use today? And it's going to list the top 5 IoT devices there. And as you can see, it's listing smart speakers like your Amazon Echoes, Google Homes, your smart thermostats, which is your Nest and Echo Bees, smart lights, door locks, and home security systems such as ADT and SimpliSafe. Y'all, I just think this is just so cool to be able to use this information here. And when you're done with it, you can basically actually click the delete button there, or you can kind of look down on this part right here, and you can actually click on the clear conversations and just confirm. It's going to bring you back to the page. And one cool idea here is it's got some examples that you can type. You can actually click them here, but it says, got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday party? And it will actually populate the text down there at the bottom, and you just basically click that, and it's going to give you some information, and you can find out so many cool things with ChatGPT, you all. But don't use this for your college term papers or your grad school papers. Don't do that. Don't get kicked out of grad school over something stupid, okay? Use this for education and entertainment purposes for yourself. So as you can see, it's listing out that information there. And once it gets done typing out, you can do what you want with the information. But make sure you look at the terms and conditions in terms of use for ChatGPT, and that you are using them for good intent and not ill intent there. Now, once you have that, I'm basically going to go ahead and clear my conversations again, go back to the start page, and people, that's pretty much the end of the video. In 5 minutes, I just showed you ChatGPT, how to use it, how to get onto it, and also some awesome products that I got here. So like, listen, subscribe to the channel, DevTech 101, aka Black Mantle. Continue to comment and let me know what you think, and I'll get back to you.